What's up, my friends? This is a meditation to help you free your mind. Settle in and relax. Soften. Take a nice big breath in and lift. Softer, slower exhale as you relax. Big inhale lifts you up. Bigger exhale slows you down. Another nice big breath in. And then gently soften. Settling in. Observing your mind. See where it goes. Don't try to control it. Just observe it. You are the watcher. You are the observer. Take note wherever it is, wherever your mind has taken you, and come back to the breath. Deep inhale, deeper exhale. Observe how you feel. You are the watcher. You are the observer. Listen to your body. Can you be more comfortable? What is your body telling you? Communicate, listen, and watch. Deep breath in, deeper breath out. Observe your emotions. Beyond your feelings, observing the energy that is in motion within you and around you. Just observe. Keep breathing. You're going to be just fine. Deep inhale. Deeper exhale. You are the watcher. You are the observer of your thoughts, of your feelings, and your emotions. Step back, observe. Notice them. Ask, what can I learn? Breathe, and then let go. What can I learn? Inhale. Exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Come back into this moment. Maybe with a gentle smile. All that stuff in your head doesn't define you. So those thoughts, feelings, emotions, all that stuff going on doesn't define you. You can take a back seat and observe it, create a relationship, and realize that it's not you. It might be something that you can learn from, but it does not define you. So keep breathing, keep observing, keep watching, and most of all, keep being you. Peace.